Before we start this video, I just want to throw this quick clip in here. I was not satisfied with how my leave out was looking in the video, so I wanted to come back on camera really quick and just show you guys that I did finally get my leave out to blend very well with the unit. Personally, I just needed more oil. That was my bad. I don't know much about my leave out, so I'm like, The reason I did not refilm the video is because I wanted you also to see the wig straight out of the packaging before I added the curls to it. I want you to see my first impressions from when I took it out. So that's why I want to leave the video as it is, but just still throw this clip in there, if that makes any sense. So let's get to the video.
And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing what you talk about. Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play.
Alright guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Your girl's looking a little bit silly. I really do look silly right now, but that's because in today's video, as you can tell from the title, you guys, I am installing a U-part wig, okay? First time ever. I think this is my first time wearing a U-part wig. So shout out to Luvmehair for sending me this unit. Super duper excited to try it. I've already taken out my little bit of hair right here at the front to help it blend into my head. My braids right now are looking pretty jacked because I had to take them loose, just to free up some of my hair in the front so that this wig will blend very well. So I'm super excited for this task today of making this wig look super duper bomb. So I'm really hoping that it's going to come out really well. Before I jump into today's video though, I do want to say thank you to everyone who is tuning into today's video. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video as well as to my channel. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So through this video, you might see me look over to this side, and that's because I have my mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. Since I don't have my camera connected to like a big screen or anything, the other screen is too small for me to see. So I'm going to be looking this way so I can check and make sure I'm looking okay in the mirror. So I want to go ahead and throw out there that I do have a black wig cap on currently with this wig. I tried watching some videos of the wig because, like I said, I never wore a U-part wig before. So I wanted to make sure that I wear it in the appropriate way. So as you can see, the unit comes with this little connecting piece in the front, which I'm pretty sure you're supposed to cut, I think, but I'm really not sure. So we're going to see from the videos that I watched, it looks like everyone was cutting this part. And then it has like two combs right here on the front for you to be able to snap it, so it will be secure. With that being said, and I do plan on wearing this in a middle part, there's also adjustable straps in the back as well as another clip too for a little bit more security. Okay, so I pretty much got the wig installed, so that's a good thing. It's a super quick install when you wear your U-part wig. So now I'm going to work on my natural hair to make it blend in with this wig. So Luvmehair actually included one of their very own flat irons in my package. So thank you to them for including this in my package because this is what I'm going to use today to blend my natural hair. Super excited to try it out. It looks like it's a really durable, good flat iron. It's extremely hot. I've had it plugged up for a while. So right now it looks like it's on 220 degrees Celsius. Not really sure what that converts to in Fahrenheit, but that's what it's on. So it has 4 different temperatures of 220, 200, 180, 160 in Celsius degrees, and you just simply change the temperature of the flat iron by just pressing this one button in the inside. It doesn't look like it has an on and off button, so you would just have to make sure that you unplug this before you leave the house because you can't just turn it off and leave it plugged up. I have a really bad habit of wanting to leave my flat irons plugged in, but I usually do pretty good, so that's good. But anyway, so it's a very nice flat iron. It has a rose gold lining on it where the handle is, and then it's a nice flat surface. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how it blends my hair out. Let's see. Hello, that was a really nice straighten. Wow, this is a really nice flat iron. I'm gonna zoom in some so you guys can see an up close shot. Ignore my dandruff if you see it. Alright guys, here is the completed look of this U-part wig. Super duper cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and say I have the absolute most difficult time with my natural hair, hence why I got into wigs in the first place, because I do not like doing my hair. But as far as it being a U-part and only having to have like a section or portion of my hair out, completely fine with that. It looks really cute to me. I struggled like crazy with my natural hair, not even gonna lie, so it might not even look the best because I do not like straightening my hair, and I also feel like I just don't know how to straighten natural hair. Okay, so but you guys tell me what you think based off of what you see. I'm going to give you some different angles in here too. Go ahead and throw those clips in there so you guys can see. So yes guys, based off of what you see, please tell me what you think of this look. I have to say that this hair is absolutely amazing. It's extremely great quality. The reason I say good quality is because one, all that I was just doing to it, the flat ironing, the curling, the combing, all of that, and it still did not shed on me. Like, I promise you, it didn't shed not one bit. So great. Checks up for me, thumbs up for me, definitely on that. It is definitely, oh gosh, it's so big head friendly, y'all, because like I say, I do have a bigger head. However, this is a little loose on me, and I probably could make it a little bit tighter, but it's loose, okay? And you can make them tighter, so that's another thing. It's good with any head size. So the texture of this hair, I'm going to put it in the description box below because I actually do not know what texture it is. I don't know what the density is of it either, and I'm not sure what length it is. I want to say it's probably like a 22, 24. It's actually pretty long. You guys are going to see that too in my other clips when I show you just the different angles of it. But yeah, super long, super luscious, super soft, curls so great, so easily. I did go off camera and add a little bit more curls to it because I was like, I think I just want to add a little bit more curls. And now it looked great in its natural state. I will say that it looked awesome in its natural state. However, I just wanted to add some curls because I just wanted to add some curls. But yeah, I'm trying to make sure my hair isn't like sticking out on the side. It's making me a little bit nervous because y'all, I don't wear my natural hair, so that's why I'm nervous. But it's cute, it just makes me nervous because you know, you don't want to be that person that's walking around with some cute weave in your hair, yet your natural hair is just sitting on top of your head. You don't want those problems, so make sure your hair is blended. But what I will say about this unit, one of the top things that I feel like is most important is how easy and quick of a style this is. Because I feel like when people hear U-part, they might think that it's going to be so much more work and so much longer to do, but I think that's completely opposite of more of a wig. Because nowadays with your you know, your lace fronts or your lace frontal wigs, you want to make sure that those blend so well, and you want to make sure that they're like undetectable lace. You want to make sure that it's like melted into your hairline. You have to do all the plucking, add and bleaching the knots and all of that. So it's a little bit more work when it comes to that. Granted, when you get finished with all of that, you can finally just wear your wig. You can glue it down or wear it glueless. However, I feel like you also have to think about, if you get a U-part wig, if your hair is already naturally straight or permed, or it's really easy for you to just go ahead and straighten your hair, this is literally a unit that you can just snap on, you know, and go out the door. You don't even have to braid your hair down necessarily if you don't want to. If you can get it pulled back into a nice slick bun or, you know, ponytail ball, then you don't even have to worry about braiding your hair down. So you literally have a quick do super quick, straight out of the box, not having to do anything to it. Because honestly, I could have wore the wig how it was straight out of the packaging without, you know, adding curls to it. That was just something that I wanted to do. So I also think that's what you have to think about when you get a U-part wig. Super quick to work with, like super quick hairstyle, and it's really cute. So yeah, I think I gave you guys a good bit of information on this wig. So if I did not answer one of your questions, like I always say, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you again to Luvmehair for sending me this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got this far, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm hosting a giveaway soon on a wig, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'm gonna host it on my Instagram or my YouTube, because I feel like I have a different set of followers on both social media platforms. So therefore you should keep an eye out, and if you are following me on here and not following me on Instagram, you should go do that. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here, and it's also in my description box below. So thanks guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I like